Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1 and today we will give presentation about the result of our field trip at Peanut Field in Bantur. Next. Okay, before we start, let me introduce our member. First, NOVIANA WARDANI with star number 107, and then SARA VANESYA, star number 131, TITIN ANDRIYANTI, star number 135, DENA AISYAH, star number 138, and RINTA SOFIA, star number 145. Next. Okay, first background. The land of peanuts are among to Babak Sugeng, located in Ponggok 1, Trimulyo, Jetis, Bantul, special region of Yogyakarta. And there we found that if the plant is eaten by caterpillars, it is still possible to harvest because of the low severity. But if the plant has been attacked by red pest, it can no longer be harvested. And then in the land is not using refugia plant, so there is no natural enemies. And the thing that caused explosion of pests and disease is actually because the wrong planting season. Next.
So the next one is important pest and disease. Based on the interview with Pak Sugeng, we can conclude that the pest and disease that attack his field for the pest is mouse and caterpillar, and the disease is rotten root.
And next, generally controlled by land sanitation and pesticide spraying, but the damage caused by pests is usually not so severe that there is no need for spraying. How to cultivate the land is wooded, plowed with a hand tractor, diet, then harrowed, and the land is ready to be planted. After the soil is processed, it is allowed to stand for 3 until 5 days. And pesticide applied after planting when pesticide appear cause severe damage, but so far never. If control is carried out, it may be after the flower appear of approximately 2 months after planting to reduce pests. And next.
And then our recommendation for the land is the preventive control. Number 1 is land fencing. Number 2 is ultrasonic rat repellent device. And number 3 is rat traps. And chemical control using pesticide such as rodenticide. And biological control using against or natural enemies such as all. Next.
And this is our documentation when we went to Mr. Sugeng's house and Mr. Sugeng's land in Ponggok, Jetis, Bantul. The first and the second pictures was taken in Mr. Sugeng's land, and the third and fourth pictures taken in Mr. Sugeng's house. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.